Hey everyone, welcome to Let's Take It Easy. So in this video I'm going to explain you how to fix broken Windows update. So usually Windows updates happen quietly out of our sight, but sometimes unfortunately these Windows updates cause serious problems like preventing Windows from starting or freezing the update process. So right now I'm going to explain you how to fix those problems. So for that we have to just run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, make sure you have the internet access and then go to Start and Settings, and there is an option called Update and Security. Just click on Update and Security. Once the tab is open, you can see an option called Troubleshoot here on the left hand side. Just click on Troubleshoot, and once the Troubleshoot tab is open, there is an option called Windows Update under Get Up and Running. So just click on Windows Update and run the troubleshooter. So once you run the troubleshooter, this makes sure you restart the computer once this process is done. So this is how you can fix the broken Windows Update problem. Thank you so much.